Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Look at that. Remember the symmetrical triangle we talked about in yesterday's video? It played out perfectly during the Sunday into Monday session. Normally, I don't rely too much on chart patterns since my main focus is the wave trend indicator, but triangles tend to perform surprisingly well for Bitcoin. The move began right at the apex of the symmetrical triangle and launched price from the mid-101,000 range by roughly 4.75%, reaching as high as 106.6 thousand. The projected continuation from this breakout points toward the next major horizontal support and resistance zone near 107.6 thousand. Now, am I thrilled about this strong upward move? Honestly, not entirely. Mentally, it's been a grind through these consecutive downswings since mid-October. My most recent long-term position was stopped out just below 100,000, while my main remaining entries sit around 115,000, 108,000, and roughly 106,000. Bitcoin will need to show sustained strength beyond this rebound for even the most optimistic holders, including myself, to feel confident again. Switching to the daily time frame, the chart shows that Bitcoin must reclaim 108.5, with the 200 EA sitting around 108,000 and then 110,000 to break the lower low structure that's been in place since early October. Now, checking the heat maps on the weekly view, as we analyzed yesterday, the market cleared a large cluster of short positions around 105,000, clearly visible in the data. Over the last 24 hours, around $343 million in total liquidations took place, with about $260 million coming from short positions. The challenge now is that on shorter periods, up to the weekly, we can see increased pressure forming from traders using higher exposure on the long side. On the one-day map, that interest centers near 102,000, while on the three-day map, it stretches across the 100 to 101,000 range. Meanwhile, the two-week map still shows the most intense zones above us, left over from heavy short positioning throughout the 30-day downtrend since October. Warm clusters are forming near 111.7 and 114,000. Overall, this remains a technically constructive rebound, but the market still needs to confirm higher levels to establish a lasting trend reversal. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.